G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English. Welcome to another episode of the Aussie English podcast, the number one place for anyone and everyone wanting to learn Australian English. So today is another episode, another free episode of the Aussie Slang series that I am doing. And I'm going to be teaching you, you guessed it, a slang word used down under in Australia. So if you want to check out the other episodes, guys, make sure to join the premium podcast, which you can get access to up above here. Besides that, let's get into it. All right, so today I'm going to teach you the slang term, a biffo. A biffo. You'll often hear this in the expression to get into a biffo or to have a biffo. And it's a bit of a blokey, it's a bit of a masculine way of saying to get into a fight, right? So it could be figurative that, you get into I guess not figurative, but a verbal fight with someone. You're not actually getting into fisticuffs and hurting that person. I might have a fight with my wife. We have a disagreement, an argument. We had a bit of a biffo. And I might use biffo to be a little bit sarcastic and pretend like it was more violent than it really was, right? Whereas I could use this literally to mean that I got into a fist fight with someone. So I went down to the pub the other day with my mates. Some guy got too drunk. He took a swing at me and we got into a bit of a biffo. But because I'm such a badass, I knocked him out with one punch, Got into a bit of a biffo, but I escaped unscathed. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. That is the expression. It is to get into a bit of a biffo, to have a biffo being a fight. Could be figurative, could be literal. So if you enjoy this episode, guys, make sure to go and check out the other episodes in this series on the podcast. And if you want access to the members-only episodes for this series, so each week I release 2 episodes, one for members, one for free. Make sure to sign up for the premium podcast at aussieenglish.com.au/podcast. Anyway, thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you next time. Tooroo!